Hey friends, whenever you encounter the server certificate has been revoked, ERR CERT revoked error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, usually it is not browser specific, but try changing the browser, try opening it on a different browser and check if it helps. If it doesn't help, then there are two cases to it. The first thing is that the certificate of that website is invalid, for which you would have to contact the website. That website owner will contact the certificate owner and all of that. But the second thing is that it may show invalid if your date here is obsolete, which usually happens when you reinstall Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time. Check all of these three boxes to set the time zone automatically, set the time automatically, and show the date and time. And click on sync now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.